When you search for outdoor Christmas lights, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually lights up your holidays and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, TW Shine Warm White Lights. Let's kick things off with the TW Shine Warm White Christmas Lights. Priced at just $9.99, these lights caught my attention because they combine affordability with quality. If you want charming decorations that give off a warm glow, this is worth a serious look. They're waterproof, rated IP44, which means they won't short out if it rains. Plus, they're designed with a lifetime of about 2,500 hours per bulb, so they'll last through many holiday seasons. The end-to-end connection feature allows you to link up to 5 sets together, giving you the freedom to illuminate larger areas without hassle. Now, some people complained about the bulbs being a bit fragile. Here's the thing though, while I can see how that could be a deal breaker for some, if you handle them with care, it shouldn't be an issue. Plus, you get spare bulbs in the package just in case. This is perfect for you if you're decorating on a budget but still want a classic look. Skip this one if you need super bright LED lights or a more vibrant color scheme. For the price, you really can't go wrong with these lights. Now, if the fragility of TW Shine's bulbs bothers you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Dazzle Bright Multicolored Lights. Next up is the Dazzle Bright Multicolored Christmas Mini String Lights. At $12.99, these lights offer a vibrant pop of color that really catches the eye. If you want to create a festive atmosphere, this set is definitely worth a look. These lights feature 100 bulbs over a 20-foot span, providing ample coverage for your outdoor decorations. What's cool is that you can connect up to 5 sets together, making it easy to cover larger spaces for those big holiday displays. And with a 4.6-star rating from over 3,100 reviews, it's clear that many people love them. However, some users mentioned that the colors aren't as bright as they expected. I'll be real with you, while they might not be the brightest on the market, they create a nostalgic, cozy vibe that's perfect for the holidays and a lovely alternative to super bright LED lights. This is perfect for you if you adore a colorful display for your outdoor decorations. Skip this one if you're looking for something more understated or purely white. For the price, you're getting a solid festive addition to your decor. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more features. Product number 3, YIQU 200 LED Warm White Lights. Now let's talk about the YIQU upgraded 75.8 FT 200 LED Christmas String Lights. At $19.99, they offer fantastic value for the functionality. If you want something that combines beauty with smart features, this one's worth considering. They also have a timer function that automatically turns them on for 6 hours and off for 18 hours, which is super convenient. Plus, they are connectable up to 5 sets, making it easy to create a large display without worrying about outlets. With a 4.5-star rating from over 7,600 reviews, it's clear they've impressed a lot of users. However, some have pointed out that the lights can be a bit sensitive to the settings. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of adjusting the modes, the beautiful light patterns are well worth it. Just be prepared to spend a little time figuring out your favorites. This is perfect for you if you love versatility and want a bit of control over your holiday lighting. Skip this one if you prefer something straightforward without all the features. For the price, you're getting a unique twist on traditional lights. Now, if the multiple modes sound interesting to you, wait until you hear about this next product that takes simplicity to a whole new level. Product number 4, HISHINY Clear Christmas Lights. Coming in next is the HISHINY Christmas Lights, a clear set of 100 lights for just $9.99. This caught my eye for its classic appeal. If you want timeless lighting that works for any occasion, this is worth a serious look. With a lighted length of 21 feet, these mini clear incandescent bulbs are perfect for creating a warm holiday glow. They're connectable, so you can link up to 5 sets to create a longer stretch of lights, which is great for larger decorations. Plus, they're UL certified for safety, so you know you're getting a reliable product. The warm white light is perfect for indoor and outdoor settings, making them versatile for any holiday festivity. Now, some users did mention that the bulbs tend to burn out quicker than expected. But honestly, if you're mindful about how they're used and can change a bulb here and there, it's not a deal breaker. The warm ambience they create is just too classic to pass up. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a traditional look for your decorations. Skip this one if you need something more modern or colorful. For the price, this is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves that classic holiday feel. Alright, moving on to our last product, which boasts some impressive features for those who want the best of the best. Product number 5, Nilfi 300 LED Warm White Lights. Last but not least, we have the Nilfi 100 FT 300 LED Christmas Lights. Priced at $19.99, these lights are packed with features. If you're looking for something durable and full of options, this one's definitely worth your attention. This set includes 300 LED bulbs and features 8 different lighting modes, so you can adjust the ambience for every occasion. The IP65 waterproof rating means they can handle any weather, making them perfect for year-round use. Plus, they have a timer and memory function, meaning you can set them to turn on and off automatically, which is super handy. With a 4.6-star rating from 866 reviews, it's clear that users have had a good experience. However, a few people pointed out that the power adapter is not waterproof. Here's the thing, just keep the adapter dry and you'll be fine. It's a small caveat for such a versatile and beautiful set of lights. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, bright set of lights that can last through all seasons. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with multiple modes and features. For the price, you're getting an exceptional value. Now, let's wrap things up with a quick comparison of all these great options. So there you have it. We covered the TW Shine Warm White Lights for classic charm, the Dazzle Bright multicolored lights for vibrant celebrations, the YIQU 200 LED lights for smart functionality, the HISHINY clear lights for a timeless look, and the Nilfi 300 LED lights for durability and features. Each brings something unique to your holiday decorations, depending on your needs. Choose the one that resonates with your holiday spirit the most.